the song. And if the song's long, sometimes it's good to break it up into smaller parts and learn those. Do you want to try that? You can learn the song really well. Yeah, let's try that. Can you help me teach Princess Julie how to sing Let It Go? Yes, can you help? Okay, great. Let's take it one step at a time. Yes. Let it. Try that. Okay. Let it. Okay, now let's try Reno. Let it go. Let's try that. Let it go. Let it go. Great job. Let's put on our listening ears. Really focus and listen on how it sounds, okay? Okay. Let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go. Let it go. Turn away from the door. I don't care what they're going to say. Let the storm rage on. Cold never bothered me anyway. After the cold drop. Yeah, just turn away. And then I'm gonna kind of flip my cape. Yeah. Oh, I like that. That's such a good idea. Can you try that? I mean, it never bothered me. Yeah, it never bothered me. Yeah, she's feeling like she can be who she is. I love who I am. Say that. I love who I am. Stop. Stop. I'm gonna go practice and then come back to home. Okay. Okay. Oh, I'll see you soon. Great. Friends, should we sing Let It Go with Aaron playing the piano? Do you want to sing with me with the piano? Let It Go? Okay, great. Let's do it. Okay. Let's pretend we're really close to them. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go. Let it go. Turn away and turn the door. I don't care what they're going to say. Let the storm rage on. The cold never bothers me anymore. Great conversation, Elsa. You sounded so beautiful. Miss Rachel. Oh, hi, Princess Julie. Hi. I heard the beginning of the song. Oh, wow, wonderful. I heard it really well. Good job. Just like we talked about. Oh, that's so wonderful. You want to hear? Yeah. I want to hear too. Here we go. Snow glows white on the mountain tonight. Wow, that was so wonderful. Okay, so the first thing I noticed is sometimes it's really good to say the words first and make sure we have the right words. So the first line is the snow glows white on the mountain tonight. Oh, so maybe go through the whole song and just say the words and think about what they mean. White on the mountain tonight, not a footprint to be seen. So go through the whole song and just say it, and then you'll really know what it means and you're going to feel it. Yeah, you said the snow globes. Yeah, snow globes are really nice. Yeah, I like snow globes. You shake them and there's snow, but it's the snow glows white on the mountain tonight. Yeah. The other thing I noticed is you took a breath in the middle of the phrase. A phrase is like a sentence. So if you're reading a book, you wouldn't say the dog went outside. You say the dog went outside. The dog went outside. To get a home. Yeah, to get a home. Yeah, perfect. So we're gonna go. Snow glows white on the mountain tonight. Then we get to say not snow glows white on the mountain tonight.